My name is Thomas Samuel, and I came from the Prophet house. My really grandfather is the cousin of the Prophet Muhammad. His name is Aqil Bin Abi Thalib, and I came from a Salafi group. I used to be an imam. I used to lead the prayer since I was 9 years old. I used to teach since I was 13, and I grew up with that. And on the age of 16, I felt so much fed up with what is happening in the world. I decided to help our brothers in Iraq to stand against the Americans. But suddenly it failed, and I started to feel depression towards God and what is happening here. I'm not chosen. But I met a man who said, you need to evangelize people. You need to make a prayer, a call of Islam, to call everyone to become a Salafi. I did that, but I was not satisfied until I said, I want to get in touch with Christians. And then when I did that, I started to feel like, what is really Christianity is? I want to know it. And I found that what they taught us about Christianity in Islam is not really what Islam is teaching. And accordingly, I started to search for a source. I didn't find until one day a pop-up window came on my computer that says, do you love Allah? I thought it's a Muslim website. I clicked it, and it was a Christian website. It was a fascinating Christian website. It was very simple, talking about how things are so much connected. It answered the question that even Muslim imams used to have, how things are so much chronicle, how things are so much canon, how it's reliable, how eyewitnesses were there. And here I was shocked, like, maybe these all are wrong? I cried so hard, searching for God to give me an answer, until one day I cried so hard, and he visited me in a dream, saying, it's your time to follow me. I didn't believe him the first time, I didn't believe him the second time, but the third time, he said, didn't I tell you it's your time to follow me? He moved the bandage on my eyes, and I started to read between Islam and Christianity. I found that there is more far away between what canon in Christianity can be and what we have in Islam. To be a Christian is to follow the evidence, is to follow the truth, and to follow the true God that makes sense and make you in sequence with what you feel and what you think. Jesus is the way if you want to know who is the way.
Amen to that. So as you see, this guy, as he said, I don't know him, I never met him. He is from the family of Muhammad, and he was an imam in the mosque. He was a Muslim who tried to bring Christians to Islam, and then he found that Islam is nothing but a scam. And he just said it clearly that what they said to us about Christianity, it was absolutely not true.